Hey everyone, today I'm diving deep into the secrets that can significantly boost your income as a freelancer. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, these tips are golden. First up, let's talk about diversifying your skill set. The more you can do, the more you can offer, and that means more opportunities to earn. Consider taking online courses or workshops to learn new skills that complement your primary service. This could be anything from graphic design to digital marketing or even web development. Next, never underestimate the power of networking. Connecting with other freelancers and professionals in your field can open up a wealth of opportunities. Attend industry meetups, join relevant forums online, and don't shy away from social media platforms like LinkedIn. Remember, sometimes it's not just about what you know but who you know. Pricing strategies are crucial. If you're starting out, it might be tempting to undercut the competition to attract clients. However, this can devalue your work. Instead, focus on setting fair prices that reflect the quality and value you provide. As you gain more experience and build your portfolio, revisit your rates and adjust them accordingly. Another game changer is creating passive income streams. As a freelancer, your income can often feel like it's tied directly to the hours you work. By developing products like ebooks, courses, or even merchandising related to your niche, you can earn money while you sleep. This not only boosts your income but also stabilizes it. Finally, always deliver exceptional service. Happy clients are repeat clients and they often refer others. Make sure you're communicating effectively, meeting deadlines, and exceeding expectations. This will build your reputation as a trustworthy and talented freelancer, leading to more work and ultimately a higher income. Implementing these strategies won't just increase your income, they'll also enhance your professional growth and stability in the freelancing world. So take action today and start working towards a more lucrative and fulfilling freelance career. Remember, the only limit to your success is the amount of effort you're willing to put in. So, go out there, apply these secrets, and watch as your freelance income grows. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.